Hi friends, this is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer, once again in the YouTube today. I am going to explain today key skills and important skills a Java developer should need. So, this is the session I am going to take today. Before going to this session, I want to make you understand and give you some awareness. It's like I already given awareness in the earlier introduction Java sessions and advanced Java sessions. Even though I want to remember you what is a structured programming language, what is a object programming language, and why you need a code and code snippet in order to analyze and in order to root cause. For all above questions and above questionnaires, here are the answers. So I am directly jumping into the session. Key skills a Java developer should need. So here I am coming to session below. One of the first important skill a fresher and a software engineer in order to start a career as a Java developer, first skill is you should know the basic concepts of Java, like procedure oriented language, object oriented language. Procedure oriented language is like C. C is a procedure oriented language. It will follow the steps. It will follow the steps and instructions in order to execute a C program. And object oriented language. So object oriented language coming into that, C++ is a partial object oriented language and Java is purely totally object oriented language. So this is one skill I told. Second skill is problem solving skills. Problem solving skills is one of the skill Java developer should need. Problem solving skills. So this skill is it's so every developer and every junior has to be implement in order to analyze in order to analyze and in order to analyze a problem and in order to research a problem, in order to root cause a problem. For that, every developer, in order to start a career in Java, whether it may be a fresher or experienced guy, this step has to be followed. He has to implement and he has to implement and he has to do root cause analysis. So these skills he has to need. Problem solving skills he should need. So Java developer should need problem solving skills and root cause analysis in order to. So every Java developer has to need a problem solving skills. So it is important for a Java developer. So another skill is, so I am coming here, another skill is like he should know like already I told the problem solving skills. Another skill is he has to know the frameworks. At least he is aware of